Hi travellers, today I thought I'd just do a quick walkthrough of this here, which is the Rescue Swag bag. And this is a first aid kit with a couple of interesting features, which I'll get into in a moment. Now this is only available currently in Australia, but I believe the company did tell me that they were possibly going to expand into shipping to Europe, so unfortunately not to the US at the moment. So the company was nice enough to send me this extra as well, which is a insect repellent. This is a mosquito repellent. I believe they do sell this on their website as well. Haven't had a chance to test it properly myself yet, but I believe, but this one actually does use DEET, which I'm not a big fan of. There are other more natural mosquito repellents that I've used, but it's still good to have this as a backup. So one of the things that makes this special or different than other first aid kits is that it comes with a built-in arm sling, which you can also use for putting your legs together in such a way that I'll show you in a moment here. So the outer part of this first aid kit here, as you can see, it gives you instructions on what to do and numbers to call, so whether you're in Australia, US or New Zealand, and it gives you more detailed instructions on using different parts and a little bit of CPR as well here. So this thing itself can be used, if you just pull out these parts here like so, as a sort of a makeshift sling. So you can sling your arm like so. The straps go up around your neck in that way. So let's take a look inside this here. By the way, this is fully waterproof and this is an airtight bag. So if we open this one up and take out the contents here, you can see you get a nice little waterproof bag here, which you could use to fill up with water, or you can use this. It protects it again, it protects all the internals from water damage and so forth. So the first thing you have here in the kit is Bandage, and this is for snake bites. So certain snake bites you do want to restrict the blood flows so that the poison doesn't spread through your body. The next thing you have here, this is a face shield, and I believe this is for giving mouth-to-mouth resuscitation, and I think that's disposable as well. You also get here some nice band-aids, or what do they call them in the UK? They call them plasters. And this one you get 25, and they are premium weight. You get an emergency thermal blanket, and this reflects up to 80% of body heat. It's those sort of silver blankets that you see if you've watched the latest Better Call Saul, or you know those ones. They kind of fold up and they give you some warmth, and they're very small and lightweight for what they do. Here you have some burn gel, which is for minor cuts and scalds. That is 3.5 grams or 1/8 ounce. Some instructions in the back there. You get inside some Nitrile examination gloves. So these are disposable gloves. There are 2 gloves in here and they are a size large. Oh, so you get a couple more burn gels. So that is in total 3 burn gels. You have a non-adherent dressing here. That is sterile and latex free. I believe that's for patching up cuts and stuff. You get an eye wash and irrigation of wounds. Oh, you get some nice scissors in here for cutting the dressings. You get some antiseptic cream. So this is also for minor cuts, burns, and itches and insect bites as well. You get some nice tweezers in here. And finally, you get some instant cold packs ready to use for therapy treatment. So you squeeze this together and it gives you like a cooling, so I guess if you burn yourself. Alright, so these ones here are what they call Splinter Probes. And just having a quick look online, they are to help remove splinters. So this pack altogether in Australia costs 65 Australian dollars. It's called the Explorer Rescue Swag Portable First Aid Kit. And it's got all of these things which would be very handy when you're going on a hike, or in some cases you could take them for international travel. You could probably rearrange some of the items and put them into a smaller pack and use that for like a carry-on one. Obviously the scissors wouldn't be able to go for carry-on, but a couple of things like the splinter removal, thermal blanket could probably fit in there, definitely the band-aids and face masks. So a couple of things in here will definitely be suitable for carry-on travel. Now the Explorer kit also does, on their website, come with the Refill Explorer module, which is all the same things which you can then repack into the bag again and reuse these two parts of the bag for your next adventure. So that's it, basically just a really quick look at what you get inside this kit here from Rescue Swag. And definitely leave a comment down below if you have a first aid kit, what you carry with you. And definitely be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.